When an old hybrid battery comes to us at Infinitev, it goes through many stages. Firstly, the outer case and tinware of the battery gets stripped till we have just the battery core. The battery core then goes onto the charger, where we fully charge the battery up to 100%. It then goes through a series of cycling tests where we can measure the capacity. Once we have determined which modules are good and which modules are bad, the good modules will be repurposed and put into a remanufactured battery. It will then go through various testing stages to make sure that it meets our QC standards. Once the battery has passed our QC standard, it will go into the assembly area. This is where the hybrid core will come back together with the entire tinware of the battery. It will then get put into a box and then shipped out to the customer. Modules that do not meet our criteria will be sent to an end-of-life program. This end-of-life program is carried out by a third-party recycler who will recycle the battery down to its core minerals and then repurpose them in a new battery.